Hello everyone, I am Sufiya khuroo, vocational teacher at Govt.Girls High Secondary School Baramulla of Apparal Meetups and Home Furnishing from Indus Edutrain under the mentorship of Ma'am Mahwish. Dear students, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you about sewing machines. This is the first slide of my presentation by me, Sufiya Khuroo. I have done my Masters of Science in Fashion Design, Indus Edutrain, Sikkiling, India. I am going to teach you about Introduction to the Sewing Machines. This unit has three subunits. First, sewing machine and its types. Second, terminology related to sewing and garments. Third, various parts of sewing machines and its attachments. The first subunit, it's about Introduction to the Sewing Machines. The objectives of this subunit is come to know, you will get to know about different types of sewing machines. What are the different types of sewing machines? What are the uses? What are the difference between the different types of sewing machines? Introduction to the sewing machines. Dear students, you all may be thinking, what do you understand by sewing machines, or how we can define sewing machine? I have given two definitions. First one is like this: a machine which controls the fabric with feeding device forms a perfect stitch is called a sewing machine. It means a machine which controls the fabric. We all bring fabric from market, then we give fabric a perfect body shape, then we wear it. We cannot wear fabric directly because that is not going to be suitable on our body. So a machine, that machine which controls the fabric with a feeding device, gives the fabric a perfect body shape. That machine is called as sewing machine. We have the second definition also, that is a sewing machine is a machine used to stitch fabrics and other materials together with a thread. We can say a machine used to stitch fabric. It may be two pieces of fabric or two or three pieces of fabric, yeah, different fabrics, another materials and another materials together with a thread. Okay, now dear students, who has invented this sewing machine? It was Thomas Saint in 1790 who invented this sewing machine during industrial revolution to decrease the amount of manual sewing work performed in a clothing companies. This machine helped in efficiency, productivity of fabric, clothing and needle industry. Now, different categories of sewing machine. The following are the categories of sewing machines. The first one is domestic sewing machine. The second one is industrial sewing machines. What do you understand by domestic sewing machines? Domestic sewing machines. These are designed mainly for one person to sew individual dresses while using a single stitch type. Modern sewing machines are designed in such a way that the fabric easily glides in and out of the sewing machine, speeding the stitching process and saving the time and energy. Okay, now domestic sewing machines are mainly for the person to sew individual dresses. We can have a domestic sewing machine. We love stitching, that's why we use domestic sewing machines, and usually in the tailor shops we can see domestic sewing machine. It is a simple machine with a very less technology effect. Now here are some points I have written about domestic sewing machine. Domestic sewing machines are usually used in homes by people simply interested in sewing. you know Domestics, these machines, sewing machines, are usually used in homes by people who are interested in sewing, who love sewing, and they use these machines usually for projects like dressmaking, stitching, simply home furnishing products. We can say home furnishing products like cushion covers, curtain covers, etc. etc. Domestic sewing machines usually work on lightweight fabrics. We have different kinds of fabrics. We cannot use leather on domestic sewing machine. For leather, we need different machines. We need a different machine. This machine cannot handle heavyweight fabrics. This machine is only for lightweight fabrics. Now we have the another type, that is industrial sewing machine. Industrial sewing machine. Industrial sewing machines are heavy duty machines. You can see they do heavy work. We use these machines in industries for mass production, like we have to make 1 lakh 2 lakh pieces of product. We use these machines. They have computerized chips. They can feed 10 to 30 designs at a time. They can do different kind of stitches at a time, and their speed is very high. They have a power motor in it, and a person needs to be very skilled and professional in handling such machines. They are used We use these machines usually, and usually in industrial apparel industries, like fashion apparel industries, because they are mainly for mass production. They can do heavy duty. They can store 10 to 30 designs at a time, pattern designs at a time, and we can make different kinds of designs on this machine. Now more about this is, as I told you, that we use different types of textiles on them, like uh, linen, leather, jacket. We make jackets. We can make jackets on them. We can have leather textiles, etc. etc. Sewing machines, industrial sewing machines are larger, faster, and more complex, and more varied in size, price, and task also. They are highly expensive, and they are faster. They do work faster. They are larger in shape, and they are also very complex. Now we have the another topic, that is different types of sewing machines. Now we know domestic sewing machine. Now industrial sewing machines have different types. Here there are three major types of sewing machines: mechanical sewing machine, electronic sewing machine, computerized sewing machines. Now what do you understand by mechanical sewing machine? Mechanical sewing machines are less expensive. They are not highly expensive, and they are simplest type of sewing machines. Electronic sewing machines, they became popular during 1970, and they have more features. They run on power, and they do lot of work. Now we have the another one, that is computerized sewing machines. They are very fast and easy to use. Computer sewing machines are similar to electronic sewing machines. Like computer sewing machines, they can we can feed them with 100 to 150 designs at a time. They can do work. They do work. They can make different designs in a very less time, and we can give computerized machines, sewing machines, 2 to 3, 5 to 10 work at a time. Now these are the different types of machines based on bed and stitching. We have flat bed sewing. When we are going to do practicals, you will get more information about these kind of machines. flat bed machines, raised bed machines, cylindrical bed machines. Now these machines are also sewing machines, but for example, bed sewing machine are usually used for simple fabrics. Cylindrical bed machines, they are used for, some different textiles for different designing. So when we are going to visit industries, or we are going to do work in practical lab, you will come to know how we can use them and how they are used. Now I have here uh, I have here mentioned about various types of machines, and I have also put some pictures on the pictures. Like we have lock stitch machine, we have buttonhole machine. Dear students, for example, if we are making a shirt, for making a shirt we need a cuff machine, we need buttonholes, we have to do holes so that we can put buttons on them. So for that we have different machines. For buttonhole we have different machine. For button attachment we have different machine. For ironing we have different machine. For attaching the collar, in some parts of the this shirt we need a very tough stitching. Like in the collars we need double stitching, we need double chain stitch, and for that we have double chain stitch machine. For attaching the cups we need double chain stitch machines. You will get to know about these machines more once you will go in the lab. We will do practical in the lab, and also if we are when we are going to visit industries, apparel industries. Now dear students, at the end I have given you I am going to give you some practical work. Please do this. Prepare a chart of different types of sewing machines, what kind of material you need and what is the procedure. i have written I have written that, I have mentioned that, and I have given you the homework. Please do this homework, and if you have any problem, or you feel like I don't understand something, please feel free to contact me.